How long has it been like that for, where you can't charge it?
Wednesday, Thursday, maybe like 2, 3 days.
2, 3 days.
Yeah,
You just haven't. You've been charging it with the wireless charger.
yeah. I just lay it on my wireless charger.
Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of lint in there. See that?
Yeah. So I say Tuesday morning, I took it off the charger to go to work after I charged it.
Hmm. It's coming out slowly. It was in there pretty deep. Yeah.
Cause I don't know if it's the screen protector, and I don't want to take it off if my screen is shattered.
No, your screen is fine. It's just a screen protector. That's
Okay.
correct.
All right.
Yep. There you go.
I heard it.
Yeah, it charges perfect. Try to move it around. Yep, you're all good. Looks nice. Okay. All right, my brother. You're all good. Have a good one. Yeah.